structure. What does that mean? There are obviously a million different projects out there building some version of AI infra, Web3 AI infra. What will it take to get us to that next phase of true mainstream adoption? So I am thrilled by the dream team we have to explore that today. Please welcome David Fields, Lele, Eric Weiner, Nicolas Kokkalis, and Sam Ewan, my colleague at CoinDesk. Thank you.
Look at all these humans. This is very exciting. Raise your hand if you're an agent. All right, we got a couple. Welcome. We'll try to speak in binary for you. What a wonderful panel. I'm very excited to be able to moderate this with these four brilliant people. I'm going to learn a lot. I'm Sam Ewan from CoinDesk. I head up the innovation practice, so I'm going to take a lot of notes on what we're talking about today. But I would love, Lele, let's start with you. Just give us the 20-second who you are, and then we'll go down the panel.
Sure. Really great to see everyone. I love Toronto. So I'm Lele. I'm a VP and head of business development at Kite AI. Kite AI is an AI layer 1 focused on building an open marketplace for agents, models, and data. And myself, I come from more of a TradFi background. I worked on Wall Street for over 10 years and came to the blockchain space about 5 years ago.
Eric?
Hey, I'm Eric Weiner. I'm the CTO of Near AI. Near AI is kind of an offshoot of the Near protocol in L1, but we're focused on building a framework for AI agent hosting, for agents to talk to other agents, transact, pay, and the app layer on top of that.
Hi, I'm David Fields. I'm co-founder and CEO at Ready AI. We're focused on structuring all the world's data and making it universally accessible to AI. And we're built on BitTensor, one of the leading crypto AI protocols.
Hi, I'm Nicolas Kokkalis. I am one of the two founders of Pi Network and heading the technology. Pi Network is a social network with tens of millions of people with its own embedded cryptocurrency, Pi. People have been mining it for the last more than 6 years now. They have been using it. They have been creating apps. And one unique feature about Pi is that every account on the blockchain, before it's activated, it needs to pass identity verification.
All right, so what I want to start with, and again, you can give me a really short answer, is in the worlds that each of you are playing within the infra side and in AI, I wanted you to give me kind of the analogous place we are in the technology spectrum, right? So if we think of YouTube and streaming video, are we still the VHS era when it comes to what we're doing? So Nick, let's start with you.
Oh, wow. So that's a good question. So I think that every time in history, there's technologies that are being invented, and then there's a little bit of lag and a little bit of time between when they are invented and they are actually being massively used. So that's where we are with Gen AI. So especially with the generative AI and AI in general, there has been a leap forward, a breakthrough in what the models can achieve. And now is the time to build great apps and great products with them. In the same way that, when electricity was created, not every house had it, not every industrialization wasn't there, or when the combustion engine was there, not everyone had a car. What was the exact product was not really known. So that's where we are right now. It's an exciting time to live.
All right, we're at the combustion engine. That's what I'm taking away from this. David, where are we right now?
Yeah, I mean, I think a lot about this. I sort of feel like we're in the kind of mid-90s of the internet. But one big difference is there's massive distribution, right, that's been laid over the last 25 years since then. And so I think because of that, you've seen some unbelievable growth.